Sony is all set to host major launch event on April 14th. The Japanese electronic giant is expected to launch new Xperia 1 Mark III flagship smartphone alongside the Xperia 10 Mark III and Xperia compact phone at the event. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark III likely to be powered by the latest Snapdragon 888 chipset and will feature 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage configuration. Although there will be a premium 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage versions too. The display will be 6.5-inch OLED with the 4K HDR display, which is the same as the predecessor. The bezels on the front are expected slimmer. The smartphone is said to come with a metal frame and glass back. Its 4K HDR panel is expected to support 10-bit color with the 120Hz of refresh rate, similar to the Xperia 5 Mark II. There is some news around the camera system of this Sony Xperia Mark III as well. It seems that for the first time Sony has decided to go along with the periscopic route. The Xperia 1 Mark III will support triple rear camera setup with the JC's optics with lossless zoom. However, the exact camera specifications are still unknown. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark III is expected to support a 6-inch with no punch hole or notch display, which is likely come with the Full HD Plus resolutions. It will have side-mounted fingerprint scanner, front-facing stereo speakers, and 3.5mm audio jack. The Xperia 10 Mark III will also have triple rear camera setup, a 12GB of primary camera, and 8MP ultra-wide and 8MP of telescopic camera as well. We can expect mid-range Snapdragon SoC, which could be Snapdragon 695G based on earlier rumors. Sony is also expected to launch an Xperia compact phone. However, according to same reports, this is not with a flagship phone like the earlier flagship compact phones in the Xperia Z and Xperia XZ series with top-end specifications. Instead, this will be the budget phone powered by the Snapdragon 485G SoC. We will know complete specification of the smartphone at the launch event for these new Xperia devices, which is scheduled for April 14. We have heard plenty of Sony Xperia Mark III design rumors, and it sounds pretty similar to the predecessor in terms of look. Those pictures do show something rumored to be shortcut button, which is we have previously seen on the Sony Xperia Pro, giving the quick access to your favorite app. The same design and shortcut key can also be seen on the case render, which also highlight 3.5mm headphone jack and camera array. That camera setup might also have been seen in a teaser video posted by Sony itself. Talking of cameras, we have heard Sony Xperia Mark III could have periscopic lens. This type of lens allows for long distance zooming, possibly 10 times and 5 times in the case of Xperia phone. This is a claim we have heard multiple times with the more recent rumors, adding that the Sony Xperia Mark III might also have 64MP of main camera and 12MP of ultra-wide, Snapdragon 88 chipset up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, and 6.5-inch OLED screen with the 4K resolutions and 120Hz of refresh rate.